Database migrations are kind of like unit tests. Most people know they're important, but most people are also doing them wrong, or not doing them at all. Say you have a users table and you need to add a birthday column. The wrong way is to connect directly to your production database and run a quick query. The right way is to create a migration file. That query goes inside it, and your system runs it automatically every time you deploy new code. Here's where most developers mess up. They write a migration, test it with the new code, and just deploy. But for a few minutes during deployment, the old version of your app is still running against the new schema, and that's when things break. Adding a new column is safe. The old queries just ignore it. But removing a column that the old code still depends on, that will break your app the moment the migration runs. The safe way to remove a column is a multi-phase rollout. First, add the new column. Second, deploy the new code that uses it. Third, run a cleanup migration to remove the old one. 3 steps, 0 downtime. Renaming an existing column is even more involved. Add the new column. Copy the data over. Deploy the new code. Recopy the data to catch anything missed. Then remove the old column. 5 steps. But it keeps production running the whole time. If the migration is really complex and the multi-phase approach isn't worth it, some teams schedule downtime. Tell your users the site will be down for 30 minutes. But this should always be a last resort. Good engineering teams avoid downtime at all costs.